Guys, I will show you how to do a cute bird. First, you go do this. And do another one. And first, do a zigzag for the bounce. And draw letter U for the head. And draw a curly for the head. And draw this. And draw a letter U for the eye. And draw this for the eyelashes. Like that. And draw like that, like a open ear. Into the eye and color it. Like that. Color the other one. And the other one, draw a letter U for the mouth. And draw like a letter O for the cute cheek. And the other one, draw some this. Like that for the accessory. For the crown. Draw like. And draw a 3 circle on the top of the crown. And just like that, we draw a curve.